Good morning, guys! Maaga pa, wala pang 9. Tapos na ako maligo. Binasa ko for the first time yung buhok ko kanina. And ito na yung buhok ko, guys, na dry. See, hindi siya like sobrang kapal. Parang napaka-blurry. Parang ito lang yung buhok ko noon, diba? Ito ba yun? Or siguro mas makapal to ng konti. Mas mahaba. Pero yeah, hindi siya like parang sobrang fake tingnan. Blino-dry ko siya yung dito lang. Kasi napaka-basa. So yan. Gusto ko din kasi makita yung parang full na siya ba. Kasi yung sabi ng babae doon, after niya ginawa yung buhok ko, yung first na application, magiging parang namumuo talaga siya tingnan. Kasi parang nasana yung extension na ganun siya ba. Hindi pa siya nakablend sa buhok ko. Now, nakablend na siya, see, parang wala lang talaga. And dito, okay. Hindi ko binasa yung hindi ko blino-dry yung dito eh. So, yung ilalim nito, basa pa siya. Hindi ko blino-dry kasi nandun yung strips. Hindi pwedeng applyan ng heat. Hindi pwedeng yung straightening iron. Hindi pwedeng matouch yung strips. Sa akin, okay lang siya kasi ang nipis ng buhok ko. So, magda-dry lang siya dyan. Pero yeah, inano ko lang siya. Nag-shampoo ako, guys. Hindi pwede yung may sulfate. Buti na lang yung shampoo ko talaga. Wala na talaga siya. Sulfate-free na talaga siya. So, I'm using the same shampoo, yung Grow Long. At saka yung conditioner ko. Yung conditioner ko dito lang sa here to here. Yung nilagay ko. Tapos sobrang konti lang ko. Ano lang natira sa palm ko. Ganon ko sa dito. Pero yeah. Anyway, I will get my lashes done today. So, kaya maaga tayo, guys. Parang pagising ko kanina, parang it reminds me of yung nagtatrabaho pa ako na parang ako una nagigising kaysa kay Dan. Alam mo yun? Ako una naliligo. After ko maligo, si Dan na agad sunod. Asan ba yun? Ano yung nahanap ko? Maglalagay ako ng ano eh. Tawag dito. Maglalagay ako ng moisturizer. Pero nawala siya dito. Yung gagamitin ko yung Glam Glow. Nawala. Mag-primer na lang ako. Nawala yung moisturizer ko do. Hawak-hawak ko lang yung kanina. Primer tayo, guys. Angel Veil. Hala, tumigas si Angel Veil. Tumigas, beshi. Hala, tigas ha. Grabe ha. Ano lang ako? Lip tint at saka drunk blush. Yun lang. Kasi dapat mo makeup eh. O, diba? Dapat no makeup eh. Lip tint, okay lang naman, diba? Wala naman yun sa ano, mata. Ito yung gamit ko, yung soft drink tint from Etude House to, guys. Sa style ko siya nabili. Ang ganda nito pang drunk blush, do. Ganyan lang. Tapos ganyan. Tapos blend mo na gamit yung kamay mo. And dapat bilisan mo yung pag-blend kasi magsistay na siya. The heavy drunk blush. Yan. Okay na yan? Alright, we're ready, people. Ayan, okay na pala kapag may glasses na. Hindi na siya ganun kaano. Maganda din siya sa lips. Inumin ko lang yung coffee ko tapos alis na tayo. Tingnan nyo, nandito siya sa kitchen. Ito sana yung gagamitin ko, yung Glam Glow na Nude Glow. Kasi nag-a-add siya ng glow sa face tapos nagmo-moisturize din. Pero yeah, anyway, wala na. Too late. Let's have coffee, guys.
No, that's okay. As long as it's not on the eyes, that's fine, yeah.
You're on camera now.
Guys, Jane! Guys,
so
my
nice
lashes done here.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, we're the same.
I know! But thank you so much for trusting me. So, yes. Yes, I'll cleanse your lashes first, and then we'll work out what sort of lash style that you like.
Yeah, I want it to look like as natural as possible, but like longer and fuller.
Yeah, and you won't have to worry about curling them or putting mascara on, and you should be fine for your trip as well.
Yes, for my trips.
Yeah, so they should last about 2. If you're going to the Philippines, maybe 2 to 3 weeks. How many are you going for?
Just under, 10 days?
10 days.
10 days. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
And then Japan for just under 2 weeks.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay, so let's hope they last.
No, I'll come back after Philippines. I'll come back for a week here.
Yeah. Okay.
So, yeah.
But that's okay. We'll work it out when the time comes.
No,
but yeah, you will look beautiful. So what I'll do is I'll take photos before and after photos as well if I can.
Yeah.
You
want me to lay down?
Yeah, I'm thinking to lay down first. Okay. Because I don't like all the background that's here.
Let's see your lashes now, babe.
I don't have my contacts on, so I can't really.
No, that's good. Do you have them?
Yeah.
You don't have them in now?
No.
That's perfect. Yeah. So what I'll do is
lay here.
actually what I'll do different types of shots. So I'll put the light on. It's going to be
Yeah. No, that's right. I'm used to this.
maybe yeah.
Hello, people. We're finished, guys. Look at my lashes.
They look good.
Thank you, my love. Thank you, Jen. Lash Lounge by Jen. Ililive ko yung information niya sa description box, guys, if interesado kayo. Pinalitan ko din yung lipstick ko. Ililive ko yung, ito yung Sep Beauty. So, ililive ko din yung link ng Sep Beauty if ongoing pa din yung promo nila na buy one get one free. Kasi murang-mura na lang, guys, para sa dalawang lipstick. Actually, 4 na products yung makukuha mo kasi meron pa siyang lip sheer. So, 4 na products per 1,100 something. Diba? Bongga. Pero yeah, I love my lashes. Thank you, Jen. Salamat. Yan. Hindi pa siya like bongga tingnan kasi wala pa tayong eyebrows. Mamaya. And my hair is doing good as well. We're at, we're waiting for my Naka's order. Minsan lang ako maganito, guys. Wag kayo. Yung spicy, nila, chicken nuggets, masarap. Spicy chicken nuggets. Pinadalhan din niya ako nito. So, merong brush para sa, yung spoolie. Tapos yung information ni Jen. And then, meron ding brush. Yeah. Ito pala yung spicy chicken nuggets, guys. Masarap siya. Hindi siya sobrang spicy. Tapos, masarap din tong nila, sweet and sour sauce. Kain, guys. Yan yung aking lunch. Yeah, you can have some, babe.
Just one.
Guys, na-schedule ko na yung videos natin from tonight up until Saturday night. So, di ba, I fly tomorrow. Sabi ko na ba? Bukas na yung alis ko. I fly tomorrow, but na-schedule ko na lahat ng videos ko from tonight to Saturday. So, wala na akong iisipin hanggang sa Sabado. So, at least while nag-fly ako, may video pa rin kayong pinapanood, diba? Anyway, meron tayong package galing Teami Blends. Na-open ko siya kahapon, kaya lang hindi ko pa siya nagamit. Supposedly, gagamitin ko siya kaninang umaga, kaya lang hectic ang buhay. Dire-diretso ako. After ko maligo, nag-coffee ako, tapos dire-diretso. Bukas natin to i-try. Gabi pa kasi yung flight ko, hapon pa kasi yung flight ko bukas. Pwede siyang tea or fruit o yung tumbler. Pwedeng tea, pwedeng fruit. Try natin yan. Pero mag-get ready muna tayo kasi may pa-dinner si Kat. Mamaya, birthday niya ngayon. Happy birthday, Dai. And happy birthday to my Sissy Bells. Si May's birthday na niya. I will see her tomorrow. Will I see her tomorrow? Yeah, no. Bukas. I'll see her bukas. Magkikita kami kasi sa Hong Kong. And Hong Kong to Cebu, same yung flight namin. Oh my gosh, in 40 minutes darating na si Dan. So I have to get ready. Magko-contacts lang ako kasi hindi ako makakita. Pero my lashes looks like that, guys. Jen did really well. Thanks, Jen! Ito guys, ang gaan niya. I had my lashes done nung before kami kinasal ni Dan kasi I wanted to have like ito, lash extensions para sa wedding namin. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi maganda siya tingnan. Kaya lang, I remember clearly na nung nilagay ni ate yung lashes ko, hindi si Jen yung gumawa sa akin ha. First time ko magpagawa kay Jen. Nung ginawa sa akin ni ate, sobrang guys, umiiyak talaga ako dahil sa fume, siguro sa glue na kasi sobrang sensitive ng mata ko, 'di ba? Kunting lang namumula yung mata ko. Si ate, yung glue niya ata very strong na as in sobrang guys, umiiyak talaga ako na basang-basa yung pillow na as in, pero inignore lang niya. Sabi niya, normal lang daw yun. Siguro sobrang sensitive lang daw ng mata ko. And yun, the whole time, basang-basa yung mata ko kasi hindi tumitigil yung luha. Tapos, naalala ko pa, dumidikit yung upper at saka lower lashes. Kasi parang hindi niya ata na nang maayos na cover ng maayos yung lower lashes ko. Nakapikit ka the whole time. So, paglagay niya ng glue, sobrang nagmamadali din ata siya. Basta, sobrang bilis lang niya. Si Jen kasi she was taking her time talaga, guys. And I prefer that than like sobrang minamadali yung lashes ko. And yung ginamit niya din sa akin 3D lashes daw. Hindi kasi ako pro sa mga ganyan, so hindi ko sure. Pero sabi niya 3D daw and sobrang gaan niya. Parang wala lang. Hindi din siya nagtatouch sa eyebrows ko. Kasi noon nung unang lashes ko, nagtatouch siya sa eyebrows ko. So mahaba talaga siya. Ito hindi ganun kahaba pero very curled. Like, yun yung gusto ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, ayoko na sobrang haba. Especially because I wear glasses as well. Ayoko na mag-touch yung eyelashes sa glasses ko. And this one, hindi niya natatouch yung ko guys, yung glasses ko. Which is great. Kasi feeling ko yun din yung dahilan kung bakit hindi ko nagustuhan yung eyelashes ko noon. Kasi nagtatouch siya sa glasses ko. Very annoying siya. And I have to wear glasses kasi kung hindi, wala. Blurry talaga. And yun. So, nung si Jen na yung gumawa, sobrang very different from my previous experience. Namula lang yung mata ko dito, pero ganun naman kasi talaga yung mata ko. Very, very sensitive talaga niya. Akala ko kasi, ina-expect ko na yun, parang magsisting yung mata ko kasi nga yun yung na-experience ko and alam ko nga kasi na sensitive talaga yung mata ko. So, in-expect ko na magiging mahapdi siya, guys. Pero, ayun, ilang minutes na siya na naglagay ng mga eyelash extension. Tas, wala pa rin. So, sabi ko, naglalagay ka na ba? Sabi niya, oo. Sabi ko, my gosh, wala akong nafe-feel. Wala akong nafe-feel talaga. Siguro, very strong lang ng glue na ginamit ni ate previously. Pero, yeah, with Jen, it's really good. Ililive ko yung information niya below, guys, ha. If you go, let her know na I sent you. If you go sa kanya, let her know that Rhaze sent you. Pero yeah, thank you so much, Jen. Okay, let's get ready. And guys, nakapag-makeup na tayo, guys. Naglagay lang ako ng concealer, walang foundation. Concealer lang yung NARS. And then, on my cheeks is yung highlighter na Becca, yung Champagne Pop, at saka yung Becca din na blush, yung Camellia, yung shade. Sa lips ko, same lipstick as kanina, yung Set Beauty na lipstick, Halo Nude yung shade. On my brows is the same eyebrow that I have been using for so long. The Detail Make Brow. Ano pa? Spray is ito, yung from VT Cosmetics, yung super tempting na face fixer. Yun yung ginamit ko all over my face. Nandito na si Dan. Yung dress ko, actually no, it's a jumpsuit. I got this from Taliver. Yung same siya nung jumpsuit na sinuot ko ng birthday ko. Pero yung jumpsuit na sinuot ko ng birthday ko, I got that from Zaful ata yun. Pero ito, Taliver to galing. Ibang kulay siya. Blue. Yun kasi brown eh. Guys, dito na kami sa T3 Plaza. Nagpalit pala ako, guys. Malamig kasi. 25 degrees outside. So, nagpalit ako ng long sleeve. At saka yung parang skirt siya, pero short. Galing Bangkok. Sa Chatuchak. Kakagamit ko lang. Ngayon ko pa lang to nagamit. Tagal na sa akin ito. Tapos ngayon ko lang nagamit. So, at least nagamit ko siya, diba? So, yun yung outfit natin. And ginamit ko din si paring Luis. Uy! Dito pala kami sa FRYER, guys. Nandun si Dan ay. Binalik namin yung air fryer. Kasi diba nagsismoke yung bahay. Tapos kinalay, hindi naman nagaganon. So, balik namin. Tapos palitan nila ate. Dito na siya ay. Tarang! New one, guys. Hulo! Careful, babe. Uy, you just knocked the iPad. Brand new, guys. Pinalitan. surf, dive, and ski. Bili kami nito. Kasi di ba wala si Marlon? Ang mahal. $30 for this?
Yep.
$30 compared sa 5 sa Post Warehouse. Pero okay lang kasi siya lang yung wala. So I'll just get this. Is this okay or do you want a different color?
That's for Marlon. This is fine.
Yeah. This one or gray?
Which one would you like better? I reckon you might like the grey ones better.
They don't have his size. This $39.40. No, they don't have it. In $39.40. Dito na kami guys! Birthday girl! Tato! Diba? Siya na talaga ang may tato. Linag niya guys. Pakita niya sa inyo. 10 minutes lang daw. 10 minutes lang. Ako na talaga addict. Sabi niya naman. Sabi naman na ikaw na talaga ang addict sa grupo. Ikaw na ang addict sa mga inday. Hindi naman. Hindi naman yan addict. Ang laki ng ating lemon lime. Ang galing. Happy birthday to you. Nandito na lahat guys. Kami-kami lang din pala. Kami-kami lang pala. Tingnan nyo. Yung ibang in-invite nila wala daw kasi hindi dumating. Hindi free. Thank you. Dito na yung ating order guys. Sticky pork belly. Sarap tingnan oh. Kay Lyra din. Sticky pork belly din. Tsaka kay Kat. Pero wala pa birthday niya eh. Ikaw, grilled. Grilled ano yung... Kaya nga yun. Blazer pa more. Dear Kathy, happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 Blow, blow, blow. Blow na, Kathy. Blow na. Yay! Ooh! Yay! Happy birthday, Day! Happy birthday, Day! Thank you! Dito kami kinakat, guys. Tingnan niyo to si Neil Z. Coffee. Very fancy. Thank you very much. Yung dalawa, kain na ng cake. O, diba? Kumain na sila kanina. Kain na naman ulit ng cake. Kain na naman na.
Could be a good breakfast.
Is that a small piece, Malo?
That's a small bit. If I finish it quickly, I'm going to have another half.
Wow.
Yes, I am.
Is it half a piece?
Because when you're away, babe, I'm going to exercise every day. I'm going to eat really well.
Burit.
I'm going to say a prayer every night.
Really well.
I'm gonna say a prayer every night.
Please let me lose weight.
Is that your workout, prayer?
Yeah.
Ayaw pa joke-joke nga na, babe. Sa
That's
bantak, sa
really good
bantak.
cake.
Is it good?
Yeah. Which one did you get this one from? Which cheesecake place?
Bahay na kami guys. Doon yung bagong air fryer. In fairness sa Meyer ha, na exchange, as in excellent, excellent talaga na customer service. Nung nagpunta kami doon, sinabi, tinawagan kasi ni Dan before, para lang tanungin ba kung ipapalitan ba nila or anong magagawa nila sa air fryer namin na nagsismoke. Sabi nila, yeah, dalhin dito, papalitan namin. Pagdating namin doon, alam na nila yung, like, you know, yung pinunta namin doon kasi nandun yung babae na nakausap ni Dan sa phone. Alam mo yun, very smooth ng transaction right there and then pinalitan ng bago. 'Di ba? Tapos yung ano pa namin, yung binalik namin walang box, yung as in gamit na air fryer talaga kasi gamit ko naman talaga siya. And alam nila na gamit namin. Sinabi namin sa kanila na akala namin normal na nagsismoke siya. So wala, ginamit lang namin kasi ilang ano na sa amin, mag-iisang taon na yun sa July. Tiyanin ko kasi yung receipt ko, tapos, mag-iisang taon siya sa July. So, alam nila na gamit, pero alam kasi nila na faulty, kasi hindi normal na nagsusmoke. So, yun, pinalitan nila, walang tanong-tanong, pinalitan nila agad-agad. Ang galing lang, diba? Nag-ride talaga yun dito, oh. Mata ko. Kailan yan, tanggalin na natin tong ating contacts. In fairness, sa ko, sa lashes ko, hindi ko siya nararamdaman, which is good. Very lightweight ng lashes, guys, na ginamit ni Jen. As in, I'm really happy with this. Like, so far, I'm really happy with it. Sana lang hindi siya mag-iba pagdating natin ng Pilipinas. Kasi diba iba yung weather, very humid. So sana hindi ma-shook yung aking lashes sa Pilipinas. Kasi bukas na yung alis natin. Yung sa lashes pala, just in case like interesado kayo malaman, $150 yung presyo. Ano na siya, full set na siya. Yung size or length ng lashes ko is 11. Hindi ko alam kung same siya sa lahat ng naglalagay ng lashes. Pero yung sa akin, 11. Our choices were 11 at saka 12. I went for 11 kasi ayoko na sobrang haba. Gusto ko like, as much as possible, natural looking. I know it doesn't look natural at all. Especially kapag wala akong eyebrows. It doesn't look like natural. Pero at least it's not like you know, what do you call that? It's not like over the top. So, you know, it's good. I like it. I really like it. Yung lashes ko. Thank you so much, Jen. So now I have to be careful with pagtanggal ng makeup ko kasi dapat hindi ko i-touch tong lashes ko. Wala naman akong product na nilagay dyan. Hindi ako nag-add ng mascara, wala. Ito lang sa lower lashes. Nag-add ako ng mascara, so I have to remove the lower lashes mascara carefully. Yun lang. Yun lang yung gagawin ko, guys. I'll take my makeup off and I will see you guys tomorrow. Salamat, guys, for watching my vlog. Please like this video kung na-enjoy niyo yung vlog, guys. Please subscribe if you have not already. I hope to see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Be good. Good night. Morning. Good morning. Bye. Mwah.